The 20-meter Riva 63 Vertigo was first introduced in 2007 as the evolution of her little-known predecessor, the 59 Mercurius. Menangio VII is hull number 26 of the well-cherished Riva 63 Vertigo series and one of the last units produced out of a total of 29 yachts. Built in 2010 and previously owned by 3 discerning owners, Menangio VII is made available for sale exclusively by Eka Yachts, one of the longest-standing dealers of Riva worldwide. Her entertaining area is focused around the cockpit, which includes large sound lounging areas and well-protected dining facilities for al fresco feasting. While most Riva 63 Vertigos only come with an opening canvas B-mini top for increased sun shading over the dining table, Menangio VII is also equipped with a longer hardtop extension made entirely of carbon fibre to provide more solid and generous sun protection. The helm station is located centrally and makes handling and maneuverability a true pleasure. Menangio VII is also equipped with a more potent air conditioning unit to provide cooling in the cockpit, in addition to the natural ventilation offered by the electric actuated hatch integrated into the hardtop. 2 bar units located on both sides are used for housing an ice maker, grill unit, fridge and sink. Moving to the lower deck, one immediately feels the elegance and unmistakable style that Officina Italiana design has been giving Riva boats for more than 20 years. The generous living area can be used for dining or lounging. Stylish Poltrona Frau dining chairs complement the Wenger dining table and leather sofa. Oak wood paneling can be found throughout the interiors, which blend nicely with materials such as leather and stainless steel. The finishing is impeccable throughout and the accommodation is well appointed. 3 staterooms with ensuite facilities will accommodate 6 guests, with the owner's cabin located midships, double bed VIP cabin to 4 and the bunk bed guest cabin located to port side. All galley equipment is nicely concealed under 2 lids in order to keep things tidy and in line with a minimalist design. The single-berth crew cabin is located to port side next to the swim platform access. The garage houses a recently restored Avon 3 meters 20 jet tender, which is located via an easy-to-use launching system. The bow area is designed for worshipping the sun and features a convenient tilting awning. Powered by twin 12 VAMN engines, each producing 1,360 horsepower, the Vertigo will go on plane at just around 15 knots, courtesy of her shaft transmission. This allows her to cruise comfortably on plane even at slow speeds when the weather conditions call for it. Her top speed of 40 knots is truly exhilarating for a shaft-driven yacht. Even more satisfying is a hull so pleasant to ride on that Riva used it for a consecutive 18 years on 3 different models: Mercurius, Vertigo and Virtus.